It is HH Jaipur, strike Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur. Nicholas tries for the near side back. Ball and Nicholas taking that hit in, going for a long strike towards the goal. Excellent, brilliant pass on to HH Jaipur. Tries for a back and the ball rolls out of going into mark him. It is Venkatesh in attack, doing a good job. It is Venkatesh and he just about. Nicholas takes that hit in. Penalty fight B. Takes a long shot. Matthias trying to beat the ball. It is a good strike there. Venkatesh. Jaipur unable to collect. Siddhant tries for a long strike, couldn't connect. And we have Sardar Jaisal Singh. Jaisal stands a good chance to score for Jaipur USPA. And it is Siddhant defending for Jindal Panthers. Siddhant Sharma. Siddhant turns that game around. Jaisal marking him along the board. He's getting supported. Very good pass on to Matthias. Matthias tries for a long strike, couldn't connect very well. It is Nicholas for Jaipur USPA. It is Matthias watching over him very carefully. And the umpire's whistle. Jaipur USPA get that spotted. It is Nicholas being watched very carefully by Siddhant. Nicholas, a 5 handicapper, goes in for a good strike on to Lance Watson. Lance gets to the ball. Siddhant, it is Simran watching over him very carefully. He believes it for HH Jaipur. Sawai Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur. He's got Matthias watching over him very carefully. HH Jaipur. Good long strike and it is Nicholas. Siddhant gets to the ball. Siddhant takes a long under the neck shot. Excellent pass on to Matthias. It is Matthias Vial. Matthias promotes it ahead on to Simran. Jaipur tries for a back, couldn't connect. Matthias picks the ball in for that goal. It is Jaipur, Matthias, and goal. First time Siddhant takes a long shot and a goal. Up by Henry Fisher. Rolls in the ball. It is Lance Watson for Jaipur. He's got Matthias. It is Siddhant picks the ball. It is Nicholas. Siddhant goes in for a back. Clever pass on to Matthias. It is Lance Watson trying to beat the ball. Matthias collects the ball. He's a 6 handicapper coming in from Chile. On the near side is Matthias for Jindal Panthers. Lance Watson. He centered that ball. Excellent pass on to Simran Shegil. Simran for Jindal Panthers. And goal number 2. Was Chakka 2-0. Umpire rolls in the ball. It is Jaipur, HH Jaipur, Siddhant. Simran forward tap goes in for a back. It is Lance picked the ball. Lance Watson. Lance making a good run for Jaipur USPA. Unable to keep the ball in control and the ball rolls out of play over the back line. On to his forward, it is Simran Shegil gets on the ball. He is being watched very carefully by HH Jaipur. Simran, he promotes it ahead on to Siddhant. And we have the umpire's whistle. Nicholas taking that long strike on to Simran Shegil gets on the ball. Jindal Panthers defending. Simran, excellent pass on to Siddhant is Nicholas marking him. Siddhant tries for under the next shot, couldn't connect, and it is Shamshir Ali. Shamsher Ali for Jaipur USPA. Shamsher Ali.
एरिके तुम्हारी
Umpire Henry Fisher rolls in the ball. It is Nicholas. Nicholas forward tap goes in for near side back. Lance Watson. First ultrasound with 30 seconds to go. It is Siddhant. Siddhant gets the better of Lance. Makes a quick turn around. Goes in for a long strike. It is Simran. Nicholas on a brilliant back. Good pass on to Nicholas by Lance. And with that we come to the end of the first chakra. Pehla chakra samapt. Jindans, Delta Polo, V Polo against Aravali. Aravali at 7, Delta Polo, V Polo. Ball in play. Shamsher Ali, Siddhant, Lance Watson, and we had the umpires whistle. Sardar Jaisal Singh strikes and Matthias taking that hit in Matthias Vial. First tap goes in for a good pass on to Simran. It's Nicholas. Inside back. Couldn't connect. It is Simran on the ball. Simran Shekhil. Simran takes a long lofted shot. It is Venkatesh Jindal. Jaisal Singh for Jaipur USPA. Takes a back. Shamma. Lance Siddhant on a back. Siddhant, always very confident, getting that third goal for by Henry Fisher. Rolls in the ball. Madena forward tap goes in for a near side packet. Siddhant meets the ball, takes a long strike. Good pass on to Simran. It is Nicholas. Makes a quick turn on the near side on the forehand for Jaipur USPA. It is Nicholas. He misses the ball on the bounce. Siddhant, Lance takes it back, deflected on the horse. It is Lance, picks the ball. Lance Watson. Chamma is there waiting for a pass. Excellent pass to Shamsher Ali. He needs to direct the ball. Shamsher Ali. Chamma. And he just about missed it. He's being watched very carefully. He goes in for a good strike onto Simran, Siddhant. It is Lance gets to the ball. Lance Watson. Simran. He's got Nicholas backing him up. Lance making a run. Siddhant marking him. Lance takes a long shot towards the goal. Matthias Vial taking that return from the stadium in first step. Matthias decides to release the ball. Long strike onto Venkatesh. Chamma goes in for a pack. Simran picks the ball. Simran Shekhil is Nicholas. It is Nicholas. Matthias marking him. Simran gets the better. It is Venkatesh. Simran asking him to leave the line. Simran Shekhil. He promotes the ball ahead on to Matthias. It is Matthias and Nicholas marking him. Lance taking on to the next shot, defending for Jaipur USPA. Lance Watson. Shamsher Ali. Chamma. He goes in for a long strike. Excellent pass onto Sardar Jaisal. Jaisal Singh gets a brilliant pass. Jaisal picks the ball very well. It is Jaisal. He's got Siddhant going in to mark him. Jaisal stands a good chance to score. Jaisal. Matthias taking that within. Once again, first tap goes in for a long strike. Excellent, brilliant pass on to Venkatesh. Venkatesh, he takes a lead over Jaisal. Venkatesh picks the ball very well. It is Venkatesh Jindal, son of Mr. Naveen Jindal. Venkatesh, and a brilliant goal. 4-1 in the second chakra. Simran Shegil, Simran, Lance Watson, Nicholas, Lance marking Simran, Lance trying to collect the ball. It is Siddhant hassling him there on the near side. Lance gets the advantage, takes a long strike. Lance Watson, it is Matthias. Matthias goes in for an open back. Lance meets the ball. Lance Watson, Simran, Siddhant. Lance still with the ball, doing a good job for Jaipur USPA. Lance Watson. He promotes the ball, excellent pass on to Shamsher Ali. Chamma. And USPA trying hard, but luck is not favouring them. Matthias taking that hit in first tap, goes in for a long strike. Excellent pass, it is Nicholas. Nicholas gets on the ball for Jaipur USPA, he's playing back. Looks up, he finds his man, he goes in for a good strike on to Jaisal. It is Matthias Vial. Defending for Jindal Panthers, taking a long shot. Nicholas, first shooter sounded 30 seconds to go. Nicholas, it's Venkatesh trying to pick the ball. Siddhant, Shamsher Ali. Good pass on to, it's Nicholas and Matthias. Nicholas on the near side. He promotes the ball on to Jaisal. Jaisal stands a good chance to score. And we come to the end of the second chapter. 4-1. Dusra chakra celebration. Dixon rolls in the ball. Nicholas on a brilliant back. It is Simran, Lance Watson for Jaipur USPA. Lance Watson. Ball in play. It is Siddhant, Sharma, Shamsher Ali. Simran tries for, and the umpire's whistle. USPA. Nicholas. First tap was in for a long lofting shot. It is Matthias Vial. Matthias Lance watching very carefully. Matthias with the ball. He looks up, finds his man, goes in for a strike, couldn't connect very well. It is Lance Watson takes a brilliant back. It is Nicholas and Jaisal going up front towards the goal. Nicholas collects the ball. Nicholas, he needs to take on to the next shot. He takes a good strike towards the goal and the ball. And we have a goal. Nicholas getting that USP ka तीसरा goal. Waiting for a pass. First strike. Nicholas goes in for a long shot. It is Lance. Jaisal trying to release the ball. And the ball rolls out of play over the back line. It in there. Long strike. It is Venkatesh. Venkatesh Jindal picks the ball. Takes under the neck. It is Siddhant. Venkatesh still on the ball, tries for a long shot, couldn't connect very well. It is Simran Shegil. He stands a good chance to score. Simran for Jindal Panthers. Simran is making his way. It is Simran, Shamsher Ali, Lance, and the ball rolls out of play. Time of the third chakra. Taking that hit in from the stadium in first tap. Nicholas finds his man, goes in for a long strike. On to Lance Watson. Lance picks the ball. decides to release it, takes a long shot onto Jaisal. Jaisal, it is Chamma, Shamshir Ali, unable to collect the ball. Siddhant takes a back. Matias, it is Matias Bial. Matias, he's got two players from Jaipur USP watching over him very carefully. Matias decides to release it, takes a long lofted shot. Brilliant pass. Nicholas trying for a near side back. It is Simran tries for back. Venkatesh on a back in. We have Shamshir Ali. Shamshir Ali defending for Jaipur USP. Chamma missed the ball on bounce. Siddhant. Siddhant on to Simran. Simran and Siddhant combine well. Simran Shegil looks up, takes a long shot, but not well directed, and the ball goes out of play over the back. Nicholas hidden, taking a long strike, good pass on to Lance Watson. Lance is marked there by Matias. Lance looks up, takes a good strike on to Chamma. Simran Shegil for Jindal Panthers. Simran turned that game around. It is Nicholas, Madana, Nicholas, Simran watching very carefully. Nicholas releasing the ball onto Lance. It is Matias on the back, couldn't connect. It is Lance. Siddhant Sharma. Lance near side back. Shamshir Ali. Matias takes a long shot onto Venkatesh. Jindal unable to pick the ball. He misses it on the bounce. It is Nicholas for Jaipur USPA. Nicholas Madana turning that game around. Simran marking him. Nicholas, Siddhant Sharma looks up, he finds a man, he passes down to Venkatesh. Excellent, brilliant pass. It is Venkatesh making the run. Venkatesh. Jindal is Nicholas. Venkatesh, and the ball rolls out of play. Nicholas taking that hit in from the stadium, and Nicholas first tap, releasing the ball on a long strike onto Sardar Jaisal. It is Chamma picks the ball. Shamshir Ali for Jaipur USPA. Chamma first order sound with 30 seconds to go. Simran forward tap, goes in for a back. It is Siddhant. He takes a forward tap onto Matias. Matias trying to collect the ball. He picks the ball. It is Matias Bial. Nicholas battling for the ball. Nicholas rides him up, goes in for a near side back. Siddhant meets the ball. Siddhant Sharma for Jindal Panthers. He's racing with time. Siddhant. And he chips it. Ball in play. Matias on a back, excellent pass on to Siddhant. Siddhant collects the ball. Siddhant going to the far end. He takes on to the next shot towards the goal. And goal number. Umpire rolls in the ball. Matias Bial, Lance marking him. Nicholas on a brilliant back on, excellent pass to Shamshir Ali. Chamma. It is Siddhant marking him. Siddhant goes in for the side back, couldn't connect. It is Chamma. Stands good. He tries hard to collect the ball. It is Lance Watson once again. Lance working hard. It is Matias on the near hand. Nicholas for Jaipur USPA. Nicholas, Matias, backhand. Siddhant leaning out to collect the ball. Siddhant Sharma. Matias asking to leave the line. Matias Bial promotes it. A long shot on to Venkatesh. It is Shamshir Ali. Chamma, Venkatesh Venkatesh Jindal. Shamma. On the near side. Simran Shegil. And missing that hit it. Still with the ball. Because Siddhant marking him, releasing it on a long shot. On to Shamshir Ali. Simran Jaisal trying to collect. Simran Shegil. Shamma is there marking him. Shamshir Ali. Matthias Vial. Forward tap goes in for a pack. Clever move that was. Nicholas near side back. Lance Watson. Siddhant. Simran. Siddhant. He promotes the ball. Good pass on to Simran. It is Nicholas and Matthias. Nicholas defending for Jaipur USPA on the near side. He's got Matthias marking him. He rides him off. Ball still in play along the board. Nicholas. Good pass there. It is Shamshir Ali. Chamma. It is Venkatesh. Shamshir Ali. And we have the umpire's whistle. Jaisal making no mistakes. Getting to 4. Umpire Jason Dixon prepares to roll in the ball. First time takes a long lofted shot. Brilliant pass on to Shamshir Ali. Chamma, Shamshir Ali. Simran defending for Jindal Panthers. Chamma. He collects the ball. It is Simran Shegil. Turns that game around for Jindal Panthers. Simran Shegil. Lance Watson on his heels. Lance trying to collect the ball. Siddhant. Lance playing a brilliant game. It is Lance Watson, Siddhant. Nicholas gets onto the ball. Nicholas Modena making a good run. It is Siddhant marking him. Nicholas for Jaipur USPA. And the ball goes up. Matthias takes that hit in. He promotes the ball on to Simran. Lance. Matthias Vial once again promotes the ball. It is Lance Watson. Siddhant. Chamma. Matthias first time takes a long shot. It is Siddhant. And the ball goes out. Siddhant takes a long lofted shot and a goal. Jason Dixon throws in the ball. It is Nicholas Nadena. He promotes the ball on to Jaisal collecting on the near side. Jaisal Singh for Jaipur USPA. He is backed up by Shamshir Ali. Chamma! Shamshir Ali. Umpire rolls in the ball. And we have the final hooter. 7-5.